Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a very important topic titled advertisement. This topic is very important from the examination point of view because in every exam or every year we see a question, right? And it carries 4 marks, right? So you should practice it often so that you can easily score this 4 marks. So let us come to what an advertisement is. What is an advertisement, right? Whenever we talk of an advertisement, right? Whenever we talk of an advertisement, we think that somebody is trying to promote a product. But when we go to the Oxford English Dictionary and try to find out what its real meaning is, then we find that advertisement is defined as a notice, right? As a notice or announcement, right? What is it? It is a notice or announcement where in a public medium, right? In a public medium, what does it do? It promoting, right? Promoting what? A product or a service or what? Or a job, right? Or an event. So this is what is given in the Oxford English Dictionary. This is the definition of advertisement in Oxford English Dictionary. Advertisement is defined as a notice or announcement in a public medium promoting a product, service, an event or a job. Right? So what are the characteristics? Right? What are the characteristics of an advertisement? Right? You should remember that it is always written. It is written in short phrases. Right? It is written in short phrases. Right? Written in short phrases. It is what I can say simple, concise, and to the point. Simple, concise, and to the point. Now see, you should know, right? You should include all details, all important matters in a way. Should include all important matter, right? Should include all important matter. We should give all necessary details. Should include all important, give all necessary details. Should include all important matter, that is give all necessary details, right? Now coming back to 4th point, right? What? This necessary point should be separated by commas in a way. Right? And not only that, the category must be mentioned. The category should be mentioned at the top. Category to be mentioned at the top, right? And not only that, you see, you need to give the contact number, email, right, address. At the same time, you have to write the name of the name to whom the person will contact in a way, and put the matter in a box, right? So an advertisement is defined, or advertisement is a notice or an announcement, right, in a public medium to promote, right, to promote a product, service, event, or a job. So when you look into the characteristics, we see it's a written in short phrases, it's simple, concise, and to the point. Should include all important matter. All necessary details to be separated by commas. Category to be mentioned at the top, like situation wanted, situation vacant, so and so forth. Contact number, email, address, name, everything should be mentioned at the end of the advertisement, and the matter should be put in a box. So this is a brief introduction to the topic title advertisement, and we'll continue with the types of advertisement in our next class. Thank you.